Hi, today I wanted to share with you the difference between a manual adjustment and an activator adjustment, or often called a low force adjustment. One of the things you need to know about the activator is that it's also referred to as instrument adjustment, and a lot of people who have been adjusted by the activator may refer to it as the clicker because of its clicking noise that it makes when we use it in adjusting. Every chiropractor who undertakes 5 years at university is trained to safely and effectively deliver an adjustment to the spine in order to relieve whatever stress may be in the spine. First and foremost, we are trained in our manual adjusting skills, and synonymous with the adjusting manually is often the crack or the noise, which is just simply gas released from the spinal joints. Every chiropractor is trained how to do manual adjustments. However, some chiropractors may choose to go down the path of instrument adjusting for a number of reasons, whether it's physical capacity, physical strength, or just a preference for the technique. So largely the instrument adjusting has got 4 settings from low to high, and each setting is modified based on the patient in front of us. Obviously a young infant would use setting number 1 because it's a low force setting. When we're dealing with lower backs of heavy blokes, we tend to move it to setting number 4 because setting 4 is a heavier force setting on the instrument, allowing us to create greater motion, and because the lumbar spine is a large joint, allows us to effectively move that joint. And so, if you're a bit fearful or not confident in receiving manual adjustments, or those noises just aren't your thing, hey, why not ask the chiropractor for an activator adjustment? It may just make the world of difference and allow you to get great care instead of being fearful of any adjustments. Have a great day.